Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Your Channel Name. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Moody vintage bathrooms. If you're a fan of nostalgic aesthetics and timeless charm, you're in for a treat. Imagine stepping into a space that effortlessly blends the old with the new, where every element tells a story of bygone eras. That's the essence of a Moody vintage bathroom, a sanctuary that transcends time. Cut to footage of the Moody vintage bathroom. As we enter this captivating space, the first thing you'll notice is the rich, deep color palette. Moody hues like deep blues, forest greens, and charcoals set the tone, creating an atmosphere that's both cozy and sophisticated. The vintage elements in this bathroom are carefully curated, each piece contributing to the overall narrative. Antique mirrors, weathered brass fixtures, and clawfoot bathtubs add character and a sense of history. It's like taking a step back in time while enjoying modern comfort. Transition to details of decor. Now, let's talk about the details. Vintage-inspired tiles, perhaps in intricate patterns, adorn the floor, creating a visual masterpiece. Picture subway tiles with a twist, unique shapes and textures that transport you to a bygone era. For accessories, consider incorporating tarnished silver trays, vintage perfume bottles, and elegant candle holders. These small touches not only enhance the aesthetic but also add a personal touch to the space. Cut to lighting. The lighting in a Moody vintage bathroom is crucial. Opt for fixtures with an antique finish, casting a warm, inviting glow. Edison bulbs or fixtures with frosted glass can add that extra touch of authenticity. Showcase storage solutions. Storage in a vintage bathroom doesn't have to be purely functional, it can be a statement piece. Look for distressed wooden cabinets, vintage apothecary jars, or even a charming ladder shelf to display your linens and toiletries. Closing scene. As we wrap up our journey through this Moody vintage bathroom, it's evident that this style is more than just a design choice, it's a lifestyle. A celebration of the past, a nod to craftsmanship, and a commitment to creating a space that stands the test of time. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiring content, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. And until next time, embrace the charm of the past while enjoying the comforts of the present. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Before we say our goodbyes, I want to encourage you to infuse your own personality into your Moody vintage bathroom. Whether it's adding a collection of vintage postcards, incorporating a cozy reading nook, or displaying family heirlooms, make this space uniquely yours. If you decide to embark on your own Moody vintage bathroom journey, I'd love to see your creations. Feel free to share your photos on social media and tag us at your channel handle. Let's inspire each other in this wonderful world of timeless design. As always, thank you for joining me on this exploration. If you have any questions or if there's a particular style or room you'd like us to feature in the next video, drop your suggestions in the comments below. Your input is invaluable, and I can't wait to hear your ideas. Hey there, friends! Before you go, make sure to check out these other videos on our channel for more design inspiration and creative ideas. Whether you're into vintage decor, DIY projects, or home makeovers, we've got something for everyone. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue this creative journey together. As we sign off today, remember that every corner of your home has the potential to tell a story. So, go ahead, embrace the beauty of the past, and create a sanctuary that resonates with you. Thanks again for being part of our community. Until next time, take care, stay inspired, and keep making your space truly yours. See you in the next video. Picture this, a bathroom that transcends time, where every element tells a story of a bygone era. We're talking about rich, deep tones, weathered textures, and a sense of history that captivates your senses. So, let's embark on a journey through the Moody vintage aesthetic and discover how to bring this timeless charm into your bathroom. Transition to a series of shots showcasing Moody vintage bathroom elements. First up, let's talk color palette. Moody vintage bathrooms often feature deep, muted hues like charcoal, navy, and olive green. These colors evoke a sense of warmth and intimacy, creating a cozy atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Bathtub now, let's talk about fixtures and accessories. Think aged brass or oil-rubbed bronze faucets and hardware. These materials add a touch of old-world charm and perfectly complement the vintage vibe. Consider incorporating antique mirrors, vintage-inspired light fixtures, and reclaimed wood accents to enhance the overall aesthetic. Cut to shots of vintage-inspired bathroom decor. Mirrors play a crucial role in any bathroom, and for the Moody vintage look, think ornate and distressed frames. Antique or vintage mirrors with intricate detailing can become a focal point, reflecting the timeless elegance of days gone by. Don't forget to bring in some greenery. Vintage bathrooms often feature potted plants or small bouquets of flowers in antique vases. This not only adds a touch of nature but also softens the overall ambience, creating a harmonious blend of the old and the organic. Showcase shots of greenery in a vintage bathroom. Artist palette. When it comes to wall treatments, consider textured wallpaper or richly colored tiles. The key is to create an environment that feels layered and storied, with each element contributing to the overall narrative. Transition to shots of textured wallpaper and vintage-inspired tiles. Couch and lamp. Finally, for the finishing touch, think about incorporating vintage-inspired textiles. Plush towels, a luxurious bath mat, and even a vintage-style shower curtain can tie the entire space together, making your Moody vintage bathroom a true retreat. End with a final shot of the complete Moody vintage bathroom. And there you have it, a guide to transforming your bathroom into a Moody vintage sanctuary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiring content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things design. Speech balloon. Let me know in the comments which vintage elements you'd love to incorporate into your bathroom. Until next time, happy designing. Microphone. Before we wrap up, I want to share a quick DIY tip to add a personal touch to your Moody vintage bathroom. Consider repurposing an old dresser or vanity as a sink base. Sand it down for a distressed look, paint it in a complementary vintage color, and top it with a stylish basin for a one-of-a-kind focal point. Show footage of a DIY vintage sink project. Hammer and wrench. Remember, the beauty of the Moody vintage style lies in its imperfections and the stories it tells. Embrace the uniqueness of each piece and let your creativity shine. Sparkles. If you're feeling inspired and ready to embark on your Moody vintage bathroom transformation, I've linked some resources and inspiration in the description below. Dive in, explore, and make this space your own. Thumbs up sign. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow design enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more design tips, inspiration, and DIY projects. Glowing star. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the enchanting world of Moody vintage bathrooms. Your space is a canvas, paint it with history, elegance, and a touch of Moody magic. Until